And getting some breaking news on the Kerala gold smuggling probe, which is only getting bigger, wherein the customs have now sought permission from External Affairs Ministry to question UAE attaché Rashid Hamiz with regards to his involvement in gold smuggling links. This was sought after detailed interrogation with prime accused Sarit, Swapna and Sandeep Nair testimony of the attaché involvement in the smuggling. The accused has reportedly confessed to the investigation team that the attaché was paid in dollars for every successful transit of smuggled gold. If the External Affairs sought his access based on the request, the onus will be on UAE to grant access to the attaché. Sanjeevi, my colleague, joining us with more details on the same. Sanjeevi, the role of the UAE attaché has been very clear. He has been named himself by all the three main accused. Remember how Republic also accessed the letter wherein it was very clear that he himself gave the authority to Fazil to go ahead with the usage of diplomatic channels to smuggle the gold. So the story only getting bigger, and now Ministry of External Affairs also stepping in.
Well, exactly, Christine. Remember, the gold smuggling case is totally related to the cargo shipment, which is in fact happening with the help of someone from the UAE consulate, which is actually a very big crack in this case. And that is why, since the beginning, the customs and also even the NIA has been investigating the role of some person from the UAE consulate. And now the Customs Department has sought permission from the Ministry of External Affairs to question the UAE attaché Rashid Kamish Ali in this particular matter to bring out the truth, because this whole smuggling cannot happen without the help of someone from the, from the UAE consulate. And that is why the accused of the case, Sandeep Nair and Swapna Suresh, have confessed that, the attaché has been helping to smuggle gold and also giving letters because, the diplomatic cargo cannot have any kind of inspection at the airport, keeping the Vienna Convention law into mind, because they are, immune to any kind of inspection. That is why they've been using the diplomatic cargo as a camouflage to steal gold from some other countries for last 1 year. And this is a very big breakthrough. And once they get permission from the, External Affairs Ministry and also from the UAE consulate, then that will be a big breakthrough in this matter. On the other hand, even the NIA report has also mentioned that this could also affect the relationship between India and UAE, because this is also connected to a diplomat who's in the top position in the UAE consulate.
Absolutely. Many thanks, Sanjeevi, for that latest Ebix Cash news alert in the Kerala gold smuggling racket. The probe only widening now. Thank you. We leave it at that. Quickly slipping into a short break here.